Hi, this is a series of training sessions related to cash flow projections. After completion of the training, you will be able to prepare projected cash flow and use it as a management tool for taking business decisions. After all, cash generation is ultimate goal. First of all, we will discuss the definition. Cash flow projection is a breakdown of the money that is expected to come in and go out of your business. This includes calculating your income and all of your expenses, which will give your business a clear idea on how much cash you will be left with over a specific period of time. The salient features of definition are money. Hence, non-financial transactions such as depreciation and other provisions are excluded from the scope. Expected to come in and go out of business, meaning inflow expected to be received over a period of time, as well as payment against procurement, other expenses and capital expenditure. Cash left means balance of funds available at a specific point of time. Projection is made to ensure availability of funds when funds are required. For instance, a company places import order of machinery worth Rs 10 million, which is expected to arrive in May, and payment of LC will become immediately due. The management will have to make arrangement beforehand for the payment. Please note that when we say cash, it means cash in hand, current accounts in banks, saving accounts in banks, other liquid instruments which can be used as cash, such as price bonds, etc. Now that we have understood the definition of a cash flow projection, we move on to the key objectives of projecting cash flow. Cash flow forecasting is important because if a business runs out of cash and is not able to obtain new finance, it will become insolvent. Cash flow is the lifeblood of all businesses, particularly startups and small enterprises. In short, cash flow projection act as eyes and ears of the management and even act as whistleblower in case of upcoming financial hurdles. For instance, payment against LC Rs 5 million is due in August 2021. However, government declares increase in CIBOR rates. The management can immediately plan to arrange funds from other sources instead of bank to avoid the excessive markup. This can be done with the help of projected cash flow, since they had forecasted the upcoming LC payment and had arranged funds from other sources.